Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. What if I told you that one of Japan's most extraordinary highways does not simply cross Tokyo Bay, it disappears beneath it.
Deep below the water, two enormous tunnels carry thousands of vehicles through the seabed. This is the Tokyo Bay Aqualine, a project that transformed an almost impossible vision into one of the greatest marine engineering achievements ever built. Before the Aqualine existed, traveling between Kawasaki and Kisarazu meant driving around the entire shoreline of Tokyo Bay. The journey was long, crowded, and inefficient, costing hours of valuable time every single day. Japanese engineers imagined a more direct connection, a route running straight across the bay.
But Tokyo Bay is not an easy place to build. The seabed contains soft soil, and the water is heavily crowded with commercial shipping.
The region is exposed to strong winds, earthquakes, high waves, and severe coastal weather.
A conventional bridge across the entire bay would have severely interfered with major shipping routes and aviation operations near Tokyo.
The solution was remarkable. Instead of choosing only a bridge or only a tunnel, engineers combined both.
From the Kawasaki side, the expressway enters two shield-bored tunnels extending beneath the seabed.
Parallel tubes form the Aqua Tunnel, carrying traffic safely below one of Japan's busiest bodies of water.
To construct them, engineers first created enormous launch facilities near Ukishima.
Inside these deep chambers, giant tunnel-boring machines were assembled piece by piece.
Their steel shields, cutter heads, backup gantries, power systems, and segment-handling machinery advanced underground with extreme precision. Machines needed to maintain the correct direction, pressure, depth, and alignment while resisting groundwater and unstable marine soil. Behind the shielding rings, grout was injected to fill the space between the concrete tunnel and the surrounding ground. Slowly, two permanent underground passageways appeared, where previously there had been only sediment and seawater.
Above the tunnels stands one of the route's most distinctive structures, Kaze no To, the Tower of Wind.
This artificial ventilation island was built in the open bay to support the tunnel's airflow and safety systems. Farther east, engineers created another artificial island, Umi Hotaru. Building an island in Tokyo Bay required an enormous sequence of marine operations.
The seabed was dredged and improved, perimeter structures were installed, rock, sand, and engineered fill were placed inside the protected boundary.
Equipments and armor units defended the new land against waves and erosion.
Umi Hotaru became the transition point where the underwater tunnel rises toward the surface and connects with the bridge.
Today, it also serves as a spectacular rest area, surrounded by water, offering panoramic views across Tokyo Bay.
But beneath its public spaces is a highly engineered transportation junction, linking the tunnel, ventilation systems, roadways, and bridge. From Umi Hotaru, the Aqualine continues toward Kisarazu on the Aqua Bridge.
Its offshore foundations were built from groups of steel tubular piles driven deep into the seabed.
Cofferdams created temporary dry construction zones around the piles. Reinforced concrete pile caps, columns, pier heads, and bearings were then completed above the water. Large steel box girder sections arrived by barge. Floating cranes lifted these massive components from the sea and positioned them onto the bridge piers. Each segment had to be aligned and secured before it could be connected to the next. Gradually, isolated pieces became a continuous bridge stretching across the bay.
After the main civil structures were complete, another complex stage began.
Ventilation ducts, electrical cables, tunnel lighting, jet fans, firewater systems, drainage.
Every component had to work as part of one integrated system.
Before public traffic was allowed onto the route, engineers performed controlled tests. Ventilation fans were activated, lighting and electrical systems were verified, and inspection vehicles traveled through the tunnels and across the bridge. Only after the entire corridor passed its safety and operational checks was the Tokyo Bay Aqualine ready to open. Today, vehicles travel through it in bright sunshine, heavy rain, strong coastal wind, dense morning fog, summer heat, and complete darkness. Inside the tunnel, powerful ventilation and lighting systems operate continuously, while above the water, the bridge carries...
At Umi Hotaru, travelers can stop in the middle of the sea and look back at the route they have just crossed.
The Tokyo Bay Aqualine is more than a highway. It is a tunnel beneath the ocean, an artificial island. This is not simply a connection between Kawasaki and Kisarazu. This is the moment Japan built a highway through Tokyo Bay. As the sun sets over the bay, the corridor remains in motion, uniting communities across the water.
This legacy of maritime innovation continues to inspire infrastructure projects across the globe.
Engineers constantly monitor structural integrity and traffic sensors to adapt safety protocols for tomorrow.
Human dedication matches the scale of the hardware, ensuring round-the-clock safety and operation.
Proving that modern transportation and maritime activity can coexist in a busy coastal bay. Tested by decades of heavy traffic and ocean weather, the Aqualine stands as an enduring monument to human ingenuity. From an impossible blueprint to a vital everyday artery, this is the story of how Japan bridged the open sea.
Some structures are built to span rivers, while others are built to conquer bays. The Tokyo Bay Aqualine remains an engineering marvel of modern transportation. A true masterclass in civil engineering, tunneling, and offshore construction.
By cutting travel times drastically, it transformed regional commerce and economic exchange.
Standing tall against whatever marine challenges the future may bring.
Proof that when humanity faces impossible geography, vision and science can build a path across the water. This is the incredible legacy of Japan's marine engineering.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more stories of the world's most incredible engineering marvels.
Until next time, keep exploring the hidden wonders of human innovation. Goodbye.
Every great structure begins with a single line drawn across a blank map. Countless minds collaborated to turn raw steel and concrete into a seamless highway.
Precision in every measurement ensured the safety of millions who travel here daily. Built to absorb nature's harshest impacts, the structure stands firm against the tides.
As night falls, thousands of lights guide commuters safely across the dark waters.
What was once an arduous detour is now a fast, seamless daily commute.
Beneath the asphalt lies an invisible world of safety systems, keeping the artery alive.
Conquering the impossible requires looking at obstacles not as barriers, but as invitations to innovate.
A lasting monument to human progress and engineering excellence. Every vehicle that crosses carries forward the story of this great achievement.
Echoing across the waves, the highway remains a testament to what is possible when we refuse to back down.
Looking toward tomorrow, engineering will continue to reshape how we connect our world. A final tribute to the visionaries who dared to build a highway beneath the sea.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time.